In this lesson, we'll add in the actor's name over the title. I don't know if you noticed this or not, but the tagline, The Extraordinary Origin Story, changed to a different font. So when I click on that font layer again, click on the Type tool, and we'll notice up here in the Properties panel that it says the Edo font is being used for that text. And let's write Times again, and then select Times New Roman Italic. It might not have happened to you in your design, but it happened in my design, so I had to fix it. Let's get the Move tool, right-click on that tagline type, and duplicate that layer. Click OK, and then use the Move tool, and let's move it down here over the word Pearl. Let's double-click on the type to select it. Click in the Select the Color panel at the top of the software, and we're going to select a black and click OK. And then we're going to write the actress's name, Mia Goth. Click the Move tool, and let's bring that layer all the way to the top so we can see it. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Command T to transform to make the text a little bit smaller. Let's put it underneath the red paint and over the word Pearl. Press Return. Get the Type tool, and in this drop down, let's click on Bold Italic. And then let's double click on the Hand tool to resize the design. This lesson will continue in the next video.